the recipe for the curry fish head. It is a popular dish in Malaysia and Singapore. First, we have to clean the fish head. Soak it with tamarind water and leave it aside. For the blended ingredient, add garlic, shallots, ginger, and blend it into a fine paste. Meanwhile, prepare the vegetables. Add eggplant, tomato, onion, mix the curry powder with water until it forms paste. For the curry, heat up the oil and add in mixed spices. Heat up until the mustard seeds explode and add in onion and smashed lemongrass. Add 3 strings of curry leaves. Blend the ingredient and fry it until the onion is soft. Add curry paste. Fry until the oil surfaces from the chili paste. Add 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, then add in water, and mix it well. Continue frying again for the second cycle. Continue frying until the oil surfaces and add in water. When the oil surfaces for the third time, add in the vegetables. Add in water and mix it well. Add salt, and fish it. Mix it well. After 10 minutes, add in the tomato and tau pork. Add in coconut milk, and simmer it until the fish is cooked. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed this healthy dish, and if you did, please remember to subscribe and like this video.